Good afternoon and welcome to the News at 4. I'm Doug Petcash. Not guilty. That's how Eastern Idaho mom Lori Vallow pleaded in court today to charges of murdering her two children, JJ Vallow and Tylee Ryan. My News at 4 co-anchor Shira Matsuzawa has been on assignment today covering Vallow's hearing in Eastern Idaho and a separate hearing for her husband, Chad Daybell. She joins us now. So Shira, just walk us through what happened today.
Well, Doug, first of all, that hearing wrapped up just a couple of hours ago, and Lori Vallow chose to stand silent, which means that the judge went ahead and pled not guilty for her in all 6 felony charges that she faces. But she, of course, is the Rexburg mother of Rexburg kids, JJ Vallow and Tylee Ryan, who went missing in September of 2019. Their remains were later found on the property of Vallow's current husband, Chad Daybell. And today she entered the courtroom wearing a blue shirt and matching blue glasses. She didn't say much, only yes or no answers when responding to the judge. But the purpose of today's arraignment was for Vallow to enter a plea to the charges she faces. The couple is charged with first-degree murder, conspiracy to commit first-degree murder in the deaths of Lori's children, JJ Vallow and Tylee Ryan. Daybell is also charged with murder in the death of his late wife, Tammy Daybell. And Vallow is also charged with conspiracy in Tammy's murder. Today, as we mentioned, she pled not guilty. And during that hearing, Lori Vallow also did not waive her right to a speedy trial, which means the deadline for her trial is now mid-October. Both moments after Vallow's hearing ended, JJ's grandparents, Kay and Larry Woodcock, spoke to the media. I asked them what it was like to see Lori in court. Take a listen.
Unnerving. I honestly thought I wouldn't feel anything, but I couldn't have been further wrong. I look at her and think, I loved her and trusted her. I trusted her with
our baby.
A life.
With our baby.
That we.
With my little man, it's senseless. It don't make sense. And she knew. All she had to do was call us. She knew. Everybody knew. Just call us. We're the kids. We're the kids. Just answer that. Call us. That's all this was about.
Lori's arraignment happened just about an hour after a different hearing with Chad Daybell also happened earlier today, and it was centered around the combined trial for both Lori Vallow and Chad Daybell, and that's set for January of 2023. The purpose of that trial was to discuss if the trial should remain here in Fremont County or be moved to the Ada County Courthouse in Boise. Lawyers for the defense have raised concerns about finding an unbiased jury pool in light of the attention this case has received, and we'll be sure to have more on that coming up on the news at 6. But Doug, I gotta say, Tylee's aunt, Annie Cushing, was also out here, and she attended both hearings in addition to JJ's grandparents as well.
And just emotional words from JJ's and grandmother and grandfather. Shira, thanks. We'll see you today on the News at 6 as well.